This course, as I told you, is known as Personality Development Course. Let me ask you, what exactly do you understand by personality? What is personality? When we see a handsome person, suited, booted, with a tie, shining shoes, we claim, oh, what a personality. When we see a beautiful girl dressed up perfectly in a sari with jewelries and all that, walking gracefully, we say, wow, that's personality. But is that really personality? Just let me show you two pictures. You know them? Know them? Shah Rukh Khan and Amitabh Bachchan. Very handsome people and very great actors. But don't we have so many handsome people in the industry, so many handsome actors in the industry, so many handsome human beings apart from the industry? But when we look at them, we really look up to them. There is something different about them, right? Let me show you two more pictures. Know them? Dr. Ambedkar, who wrote the Constitution of India, and Dr. Mandela, who fought apartheid in South Africa and was jailed for 27 years. And when he came out from the jail, he was accepted as the biggest of the leaders. Handsome in their own way, but there's definitely something different about them. What is that? Personality. They are different. But friends, personality is not the monopoly of men. Women also have great personalities. Let me show you a few pictures. You know these two ladies? Madhuri Dixit and Aishwarya Rai. Very beautiful ladies, very great actors. One of them known to be a dancer, and other one Miss Universe. But we have so many beautiful ladies around us. In fact, in this hall itself, we have so many beautiful ladies. There is something different that we remember them for, right? Let me show you two more faces. You know them? Mother Teresa, who by her service to humanity has today become universal mother. Although she is no more, but she is still remembered as universal mother. And other, Dr. Kiran Bedi. Very upright officer. Wherever police department, whichever police department she went to, she created phenomenal systems, great systems for the benefit of society. When I was downloading her picture from the internet, when I saved it on the computer, I saved it as Kiran Bedi. Then immediately, I was restless, I was not comfortable, and I suddenly labeled her as Dr. Kiran Bedi. So I remembered she is Dr. Kiran Bedi. She was not there when I was labeling her, but automatically I did it, because that is the kind of respect we hold this lady for. It happens already. Something different about these people. That is personality. Friends, when you compare looks with personality, personality will always overweigh looks. Looks can catch your eyes, but personality will catch your hearts. That's the basic difference between personality and looks. Let me show you some other aspects of personality. You know these people? Shah Rukh Khan, Mahatma Gandhi, Amitabh Bachchan. Shah Rukh Khan is young, Amitabh Bachchan is old, and Mahatma Gandhi is no more. But in my limited knowledge, Mahatma Gandhi is the only human being who has been given this prefix as Mahatma. I don't know any other human being. Of course, my knowledge is limited, but I don't know anybody else being called as Mahatma. They are at a different level. Now, if you compare personality with age, personality will again overlay. In fact, personality is ageless. It's nothing to do with age. Once you develop your personality, you can reach any heights. Let me show you one more aspect of personality. You know who is he? Ben Kingsley. He acted in the Richard Attenborough's movie named Gandhi. And he acted so well that we know him as Gandhi. We remember him as Gandhi. But what happens when the original comes in front of him? What happens when the original comes in front of him? The other one fades out. Originality will always add to your personality. There is no weighing scale between originality and personality. Originality is personality. So be original, and you have your own great personalities. Right? Having talked about the different aspects of personality, let us look at what are the fine differences in different traits. There are basically two kinds of traits human beings have. One are extrinsic traits, others are intrinsic traits. Let's look at extrinsic traits. Extrinsic traits will comprise of your looks, which will be beauty and handsome, then age, and then your attributes, like how you dress up, how you move around, what are your eating habits and all that. That all form extrinsic traits. And what are the intrinsic traits? Intrinsic traits are your self-confidence, your self-esteem, your self-respect, your communication skills, how you express yourself, how you present yourself to the world. Hey world, here I come. That's what the personality speaks about. Intrinsic characters make the personality. Not that the extrinsic characters are not important. They are also equally important because they supplement each other. They complement each other. But distinguishing between extrinsic and intrinsic will bring us to basic core values of personality. Now let us see, as we see, personality is most misunderstood trait of a human being. So let us remove the myths today and understand what is the personality. Okay? Personality is a concept. Personality is way of life. Personality is your intrinsic values. Personality is how you influence the world, how you influence others' views positively. Personality is presenting yourself to the world. Okay? The course what we are talking about, we use this course for improving the personality of the participants. As Vijay told you, this course is based on reverse technology, and any training program, any course based on reverse technology has to use a process. A process has to be so powerful that it transmits every knowledge what you want to transfer to the participants. Now here, what process we have used in this course is public speaking. Today, if anybody is a good speaker, anybody who can come and speak from a dais can claim to be a very good public speaker. Some of them even claim that we can teach public speaking. Yes, they can. It's true. They can teach public speaking. But that is all what they can teach. We have modified this course on the basis of reverse technology to transform the personality of the people. That is where the difference is. We have applied reverse technology to the public speaking, and we use it as a process, and it helps in improving the personality of people. At Minar, we have fine-tuned this course to such an extent that we are able to give guarantee, and it's a guarantee that we can improve 3 basic tenets of personality: your self-confidence, your self-esteem, and your communication skills. These 3 are guaranteed. They are going to happen. It has happened in every batch in the past. It has happened in this batch also, which our distinguished dignitaries will today notice. Let me show you some testimonials. Mr. Manoj Kotak, he is the director of Image Online. He was the person who brought to India the BBS service through internet. He was the first one to bring BBS service to India. What he has to say: I have just finished reading 2 books, You Can Win and Think and Grow Rich. But your 1-hour session gave me more than what I got from reading both the books. Your session was like a rocket launcher. It has launched each of my staff into a sky of positive thinking. Victor De Mello, he was again in one of the first batches. When he came to me, he was a simple, small executive in one of the companies. Today, he is settled in Dubai as a general manager in one of the MNCs. What he says: when I joined at Minar, I was a little skeptical. Oh, everybody has a right to be skeptical. No problem with that. I was a little skeptical that this would be some other center that wanted to make money. But after the first session itself, I was convinced, and today I am proud that I went through this course. Feeling success is a lasting happiness, and therefore the things what I do today are all experiences that I got from my time at Minar. Rachna Kapoor, she is an industrialist. They make juices and squashes. She says they always encourage us to think for ourselves. We work backwards. From what we had, they fine-tuned us and made us perfect. Professor Gopal Joshi, he is a professor of engineering at DKTE College in Chilkaranji. What he says: we are all professors. Our job is to give education, but how to transfer knowledge in perfect manner, that we learn from this course. Kapila Prabhu, this was a very interesting, batch in our history. ISKCON people, ISKCON people, Hare Krishna people, they had invited us to do a course for their preachers, because they were observing that their preachers, whenever they go to give the discourse, they are not able to attract people to ISKCON. So they had asked us to do this course for them. And Mr. Kapila Prabhu was the observer. He was kept as an observer of how the course goes. What he has to say: it is very obvious that Minar has had a deep effect on the participants. Your program has been very successful. Avinash Londe, again, when he came to me, he was a simple sales executive. Then he invited us in 2007 to organize a program for his staff, his marketing staff in Virgo Engineering in Pune. While addressing to his staff, he says, addressing his staff who attended the workshop in 2007, I did this course in the year 2001, but the memories are so fresh in my mind as I have done it only recently. We had Vijayendra Goswami, you heard him introducing me, what he had to say. He was an engineering student that time. Today, he is well settled with a MNC after doing his MBA. It has changed every aspect of my outlook towards public speaking. I am sure this will do a world of good to me. I am much more confident now. These are the statements given by some of the participants. Friends, all these benefits are guaranteed. They are there for you. But we expect something minimum from you in this course. Your 100% commitment, your 100% attendance, half an hour of your time every day between the two sessions. And if you do not have that half an hour, we promise to generate that half an hour for you. Even that is not a trouble for you. And this course, the structure is, it's a 10-session course, one session every week, 3 hours session, every session, and last session is the week. Contents of the course are scientific communication skills, group discussions and group debates, again transformed to teach you principles of team building. Then you have, developing your reputation and authority and presentation skills. These all are a part of the course. And with these, Minar wishes you confident and high on self-esteem career, your future, and everything what you do in your